Making new friends after 25 should count as superpower, like flying or filing taxes without crying. Today, we're going to talk about why adult friendship feels like assembling IKEA furniture. Looks easy, turns out to be existential. Spoiler, it's not just you. It's neuroscience and psychology.
Probably also Mercury in retrograde.
According to Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, adults over 25 see a decline in new friendships. Why? Time, energy, and the emotional trauma of small talk.
Hi, what do you do? Oh, you mean the job that's slowly draining my soul? Sure, let's bond over that.
Turns out we make most of our close friends in proximity-based environments, like school, work, or cults. I mean clubs. After 25, those environments either disappear or become super task-oriented.
You can't exactly turn a Zoom meeting into a friendship circle. Unless your trauma is Google Calendar.
Let's talk brain chemistry. When you're younger, your brain is flooded with oxytocin and dopamine during new social connections. By your late 20s, your brain becomes a little pickier.
Excuse me, I have plenty to offer in social situations, like overthinking, flop sweat, and the desperate need to be liked by everyone immediately.
You sabotage conversations, avoid eye contact, and assume mild silence means the other person is planning your emotional assassination.
Look, I'm not anti-friendship, I'm just pro-isolation, anti-spontaneity, and deeply committed to keeping us in our comfort zone.
Social media tricks your brain into thinking you have 400 friends. But liking someone's vacation photo is not the same as knowing their middle name or snack preferences.
Wait, so the heart reactions to my story doesn't count as emotional intimacy?
They're just reactions from digital acquaintances. Low investment. According to MIT researcher Sherry Turkle, social media creates a false sense of connection. Lots of contact, but little depth. Also, let's not forget COVID made things worse. A whole generation missed years of normal, awkward, in-person interaction. Now we all collectively flinch when someone makes eye contact for more than 2 seconds.
I knew lockdown broke me. I just didn't know it was this specific.
Research from the American Psychological Association shows loneliness spiked post-pandemic and social anxiety rose. People forgot how to initiate conversations in real life. But it's not all doom scrolling and loneliness. Let's talk what actually works. According to Dr. Marissa Franco, psychologist and author of Platonic, friendship doesn't magically happen. It's intentional. Her research shows that consistent, low-pressure exposure is the secret sauce.
You mean I have to actually try? Like, on purpose?
Yes. Think shared hobbies, volunteering, recurring classes, mutual trauma bonding over iced coffee. Also repetition because we like people more the more we see them. Here's how to make it a little easier. Be the one who follows up. Most adults are too tired to be initiators. If you text first, you're not desperate. You're rare. Default to casual, regular. Suggest easy, repeatable plans, like coffee on Fridays or walk and rant sessions. Repetition builds trust. Name the awkward. Call out the weirdness.
Like, hi, I'm kind of emotionally stable. I like plants and I have a cat. Want to be friends?
Exactly. So, yes, making friends after 25 is hard, but it's not impossible. And if you've made even one new friend in your adult life, that's a superpower. Subscribe. Because adulting is hard, your brain is clingy, and we both know you're procrastinating something right now.